A very good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well. So, we were studying chapter number 6 of social and political life, and we have studied about the media. And as we know, the media is an important part of our life, and we cannot imagine our life without the media. So, we'll study more. And as we have studied that we watch our favorite televisions, we watch the live telecast. But how that was possible in the media? That was possible only with the help of the satellites. These are the satellites which helps us to watch the live telecast in the televisions, and this is just because of the satellites that it allows the viewers to see the news and the entertainment channels from the other parts of the world. So, when we are sitting in our country and we are seeing the reports, the live telecast of the other countries of the world, that means this can be happen just only with the help of satellites. Do you know that the first printed book was the Diamond Sutra, and it was printed in the China. Media and the money. Now we will study about the media and the money. As we have studied the media is using the technology, and we are watching our favorite TV programs, the live telecast, the news channels. But how that can be possible for the media to entertain us, for entertaining us, for giving us the news, for giving us the favorite programs? The media required a lot of professionals. The professionals like the technicians, like the cameraman, the lightman, the sound recordist, and the several artists. And even if we are watching the news, then the news reader is required. So the media required the professionals, and if the media is hiring the professionals, they are paying the money also. So the media, it requires a lot of money to run its operations, because for making their program successful for the viewers, for the betterment of the media requires a lot of money. Media, how the media got money from that? The media completed the money from the advertisements that we see after the programs, in between the programs, and even in between the news channels. Role of media in democracy. Media plays an important role in the democracy. How? Because in a democracy, the people, they should be sure about the information they are getting. If they will not be sure about the information they are getting, maybe they'll become panicked that the government is not working according to that. I think you have seen through the news channel, but if our cabinet ministers or our ministers, if they are doing some kind of meeting on the public affairs or any matter, suddenly after the meeting they'll hold a press conference, and they'll tell us what they have discussed and what major decisions they have taken. So that is just big possible just because of the media, and that is why we are saying that media plays an important role in the democracy. Because the two reasons are there for the media which are playing the role in the democracy. First is that it ensures that the citizens make responsible, informed choices. Like we have studied, the press conference was there, and then the politicians, they inform us what the matter was there, what the solution was there, and what new policies the government is going to introduce for the betterment of the country or for the betterment of the citizens. And the second thing is that the information which the media is giving and the information which we are getting, it must be fair. The media should provide a balanced report. Balanced means the media should represent the both sides of the report, the good aspect and the bad aspect, so that it depends on the viewers that they can imagine and they can take the decisions, but whether that report is good or bad. But it is the responsibility of the media that they should provide a balanced report. The next will study the media ethics and the accountability. And For the betterment of the media, as we have studied that media plays an important role in the democracy, but the media should take care of some ethics and about this some accountability. Ethics, yes, the ethics are also necessary when the media is the part of the magazines. Like through the reports we are studying about the news of the all over the world, how the changes are occur. Somehow we study about the glaciers, that the glaciers are melting, and sometimes we hear about the world report. Like the present day, if we talk about the corona, we are studying about the corona, all over the world, how many countries they are suffering, what is the rate of corona, what is the rate of recovery, how the increasing rate is there, and how much recovery rate is there, what the government is doing for the betterment. So media should take care of the ethics and the accountability, but somehow the media will not take care of some their ethics and the accountability, because media covers that report which has the more profit, or we can say which has the more TRP, like the where they will get the more money and where the viewers will be more. Like if a, a fashion show is going on, the media will try to cover up that, but the media will not try to cover up what the farmers, the problems they are facing. Like the if the present day, you have seen maybe the kisan, the farmers, they are revolting. Why? Just because of these crops. I think the major issue the present day is today, but the media, as if covers that, that will be okay, but somehow the media is not covering the issue which should be shown in the democracy and which should be shown in the front of the government. But media is busy in covering the other reports. Like the present day I'm saying the farmers are doing, but somehow the media is covering the Sushant case or the other cases of the country or of the world. But the media should has to cover the moral, media should have to take care of the moral ethics also, not only from where they will get more money. Information tool and forum for discussion. What should be the information tool and forum for the discussion? That we have the newspapers and the public affairs. So the media should take care that the report which is giving, that should be take care of the ethics and the accountability. Inform, educate, and engage the public and prompt them to take action. This is the role of the media, that they should inform the public, they should educate the public, and they should engage the public to prompt the take the action, that they should take action whether the policies of the government is good for them or the bad for them. Media as a peace and consensus builders. At times, the media helps in peace building effort. Sometimes the media helps in building the peace, and media is important for the democracy. So but media is important in the democracy, but media should take care of the ethics and the accountability of the issues. Thank you. I hope the chapter was clear. Thank you.